Unlocking music, the magic of digital tuner apps. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and useful topic for all music enthusiasts: digital tuner apps. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced musician, understanding how these apps work can transform your musical journey. So, let's explore together how a digital tuner app can be your best companion in tuning your instruments with precision. A digital tuner app is a modern tool designed for smartphones, tablets, and computers to help musicians tune their instruments accurately. Unlike traditional tuning devices, these apps use the microphone of your device to detect the sound of the instrument and guide you to the perfect pitch. They can be used for a wide range of instruments, such as guitars, violins, ukuleles, and even wind instruments. Accessibility and convenience. One of the biggest advantages is that these apps are easily accessible. You can download them directly to your device, making it convenient to tune your instrument anytime and anywhere. Versatility. Digital tuner apps come with various tuning modes, including standard, drop tuning, and tuning for specific instruments. This makes them versatile tools for different musical needs. Visual feedback. These apps provide visual feedback through an easy-to-understand interface, helping users see precisely how close they are to the correct pitch, which is particularly beneficial for beginners. 1. Download and install. First, choose a digital tuner app from your device's app store and install it. 2. Allow microphone access. Upon opening the app for the first time, it will request access to your device's microphone. You must allow this to enable the app to hear your instrument. 3. Select your instrument. Choose the instrument you are tuning from the app's options. This ensures the app is calibrated to the correct pitch range. 4. Start tuning. Play a single note on your instrument. The app will display whether the note is too high, sharp, or too low, flat. Adjust your instrument accordingly until the app indicates the pitch is correct. Digital tuner apps are a fantastic resource for musicians of all levels. They offer a convenient, versatile, and precise way to ensure your instrument is always tuned correctly, enhancing your overall musical experience. We hope this video has enlightened you on the benefits and usage of digital tuner apps. Happy tuning, and may your music always be in perfect harmony.